Welcome to Top of the World. Hope you enjoy the video. Please remember to share, like and subscribe to this channel. On January 12, 2010, a devastating 7.0 magnitude earthquake struck Haiti, the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere. The earthquake caused widespread destruction, killing an estimated 230,000 people, injuring hundreds of thousands more, and leaving more than 1.5 million people homeless. The earthquake's epicenter was located just 25 kilometers west of the capital, Port-au-Prince, which suffered the greatest damage. The earthquake struck at 4:53 p.m. local time and lasted approximately 35 seconds. The earthquake's shallow depth and proximity to the densely populated capital city caused severe damage to buildings, infrastructure, and homes. The earthquake triggered landslides and caused significant damage to the airport, making it difficult for aid to reach the country. The earthquake's impact was exacerbated by Haiti's already weak infrastructure, limited resources, and inadequate emergency response system. The country had experienced several natural disasters in the past, including hurricanes and floods, which had weakened its infrastructure and left it ill-equipped to deal with the earthquake's aftermath. The aftermath of the earthquake was catastrophic. The streets were filled with rubble, and the stench of death was everywhere. The earthquake had destroyed much of the country's already inadequate infrastructure, making it difficult for emergency response teams to reach those in need. The few hospitals and medical facilities that remained standing were quickly overwhelmed, and many injured people were left to suffer without medical care. The earthquake left more than 1.5 million people homeless, with many taking refuge in makeshift camps. The camps lacked basic sanitation, clean water, and food, making them a breeding ground for disease. The earthquake's impact on the country's economy was also severe, with many businesses and factories destroyed, leaving thousands of people without jobs. The international community quickly mobilized to provide aid and rescue efforts to Haiti. Aid agencies, including the Red Cross and Doctors Without Borders, arrived in the country to provide medical care and relief supplies. The United Nations launched a massive relief operation, sending food, water, and medical supplies to those in need. The United States also provided significant aid to Haiti, sending military personnel and relief supplies to the country. The U.S. Navy hospital ship USNS Comfort arrived in Port-au-Prince to provide medical care to earthquake victims. The U.S. government also pledged $1.15 billion in aid to help Haiti recover from the earthquake. The rescue efforts were hampered by Haiti's weak infrastructure, which made it difficult for aid to reach the country. The damaged airport made it difficult for aid to be transported by air, and damaged roads made it challenging to transport supplies by land. The situation was further complicated by looting and violence, which broke out in some areas. In the years following the earthquake, Haiti has made some progress in rebuilding. However, the country still faces significant challenges. Many of the people who were left homeless by the earthquake continue to live in makeshift camps, and the country's infrastructure remains inadequate. The earthquake also highlighted the need for better disaster preparedness and emergency response in Haiti. The government and aid agencies have been working to improve Haiti's infrastructure, including building new schools, hospitals, and homes. However, progress has been slow, and Haiti continues to face significant challenges in rebuilding. The 2010 earthquake in Haiti was a devastating tragedy that left thousands dead, injured, and homeless. The earthquake highlighted the need for better disaster preparedness and emergency response in the country. The international community responded quickly to provide aid and rescue efforts, but the weak infrastructure and limited resources in Haiti made the recovery process challenging. The earthquake's impact on Haiti's economy and infrastructure has been long-lasting, and the country still faces significant challenges in rebuilding. While progress has been made, much work remains to be done to provide adequate housing, sanitation, and healthcare to the people of Haiti. The earthquake also brought attention to the need for long-term development in Haiti. The country's weak infrastructure, limited resources, and high poverty rates make it vulnerable to natural disasters and other crises. Investing in Haiti's development can help to build stronger, more resilient communities and prevent future disasters from having such devastating effects. Overall, the earthquake in Haiti was a tragic reminder of the importance of disaster preparedness and emergency response. While the international community was able to provide significant aid and support, the long-term challenges facing Haiti require sustained investment and commitment from governments, aid agencies, and the private sector. By working together, we can help to rebuild Haiti and create a brighter future for the people of this resilient and courageous country. Thanks for watching. Remember to share, like, and subscribe.